Hi, I'm Christina from Travels with Ted. I recently toured hundreds of 2025 models at the Florida RV Super Show, and these are my favorite RVs with patios. First up is the Brinkley Model G 3250. All of Brinkley's Model G toy haulers have a rear patio, but the 3250 has some extra cool features. Like many fifth wheels, this floor plan has a bathroom and bedroom in the front section of the trailer. And like in all Brinkley RVs, this main suite is equipped with beautiful fixtures and accessories. Out in the main living area, a huge L-shaped sectional provides seating for the whole family. Behind the sectional is a kitchen with a big island, tons of built-in storage, and a super fun pass-through window that looks into the patio area. In the front section of the patio area is an awesome multi-purpose room. This garage area has a kitchen and an adjustable height desk for remote workers. At the very rear of the RV is the actual patio that also serves as a ramp into the garage. Next up is the ATC Pla 550 trailer. In this video, we are touring the 2412 floor plan. All Pla toy haulers are built on fully welded all aluminum frames and are super durable. Starting in the rear of the trailer is a tilting queen bed and a big cabinet for hanging clothes. Even the cabinets inside this RV are made of aluminum. There's also a spacious three-piece bathroom with a separate shower. The main living area has a kitchen with everything you need to make road meals, a dining table, and plenty of floor space to store toys. And finally, in the rear of the RV is a huge garage door that serves as a spacious patio. This is where Pla owners spend most of their time on camping trips when they aren't out riding their toys. Next up is the Forest River Sabre 37 RV Miles. This non-toy hauler fifth wheel RV is particularly cool because it was designed by the family behind RV Miles, who used to be full-time RVers and understand what full-time families need. The front portion of the RV has a standard fifth wheel layout with a king bed in the main bedroom and a three-piece bathroom just outside the bedroom. In the main living area, there are several features longtime campers will appreciate. These include tons of storage like this big pull-out drawer and enough outlets for all of your kitchen appliances. The living room has a big sectional so the whole family can watch a movie together. And off the living room is an awesome side patio. The patio's glass walls double as windows so the patio doesn't obstruct your views when it's folded up. Finally, the rear bunk room has a pull-out desk, more storage under the stairs, and a big loft sleeping area. Follow us for more RV tips and tours. Happy camping!